Hello guys, welcome to another POV. It's me SALEH here. So I'm here at Farmworth bus station, just about to go back to the depot. So I'm running empty right now. Lights on, everything's on. Let's go. Let's go. Go this way, or I could go straight. You know what, I'm gonna go straight. It's quicker. So within 10 minutes I should be back at the depot. Let's see. Left here. Okay. It's 18th of April today, and it's not, I was expecting it to be warmer than this, you know, hotter than this. It's actually quite cold, you know. Quite a few times I had to turn the heater on because it's getting too cold in here. The day's not over for me yet. I just gotta go back to the depot and take my break, which is I think an hour and 20 minutes, which is not bad, pretty good. And then after that, you know, I'm back on back out again until 1 o'clock or half 12 night time. Normally I record my videos in a wide angle, but right now I'm just recording the standard one. So let's see how it turns out. Let me know in the comments, you know, if you think this is better than the wide view, which is in all my other videos, which is what I use in my other videos. If you think this one is better, let me know, so then for my next POVs I can just use standard, you know, instead of wide. Because wide view kind of distorts the things a little bit, you know, kind of looks like you know, fisheye view, I guess. It kind of like bends the edges a little bit, you know, kind of looks strange. But obviously with this one you can't see as wide as you can with the wide view, but I don't know, man, maybe this is even more realistic. I mean, it's my first time, you know, recording like normal view on the bus, so I'll see. I'll only find out after, you know, once I check the footage how it looks. Also, I think I need to turn the stabilization off. I don't know how that's gonna look, because with the stabilization on, like for example, right now I looked in my right mirror, you know, it's too smooth, you know. In real life, you know, how I actually done it is not what you see in the video, because in the video, you know, it's gonna make it look more smoother, you know. It's gonna, yeah, so obviously it's not as realistic, you know. Maybe if I turn it off, the stabilization and everything, then it will be even more realistic. but then or maybe it's gonna be too shaky, I don't know, because the bus is quite shaky, you know, the rattles and everything. So that's something I have to, you know, check in the future, maybe in my next video or something, and see the difference. The bus I'm driving is Alexander Dennis Enviro 200 single decker. As you can see, that's the inside. It's very messy inside, you know. I see all these tickets everywhere, garbage and everything, but yeah, I mean, that's how it was given to me, so you know. But anyways, it's a 2023 model. It's only got 24,000 miles on the clock. 24,000 miles on the clock. So it's basically almost brand new for a bus, because an average mileage on a bus, like especially the ones I've driven it with this company, not this company but other companies, you know, they always have more than 100,000 miles on it. Like some of them even have more than 300,000-400,000 miles on it. I think the highest I've ever driven was like, bus with the highest mileage I've ever driven was literally 1 million miles, not kilometers, miles. So if you do the calculation, that's a lot of kilometers, man. Obviously they probably changed a lot of things, you know. Yeah, they probably changed a lot of things on the bus, you know. Only thing that was the same was probably just the engine, you know. That's why the mileage was still going up and up. You have to understand, you know, the buses are driven by different drivers. Different buses are driven by different drivers every day, you know. So like this bus right now could have been driven by at least 5 different drivers just today, and everyone drives differently, you know. Some people abuse the bus, you know, they don't care, it's not their bus. So that's one of the main reasons why buses need to be worked on a lot more than like cars and stuff. You know, I think it's only been like what, 5 minutes so far, 5-6 minutes, and I'm already here, you know. It's a short video, but you know, what can I do, I'm already here. So I'll see you guys next time, you know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and make sure to subscribe, you know. You help me grow this channel, you know, and motivate me to upload even better videos. And yeah, thank you.